Welcome to this short guided meditation for stress and anxiety relief. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can fully relax. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs and gently exhale, letting go of tension. Allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to soften, your body to feel heavy and safe. Bring your focus to your breath, the gentle rhythm of life within you. Inhale calm and peace. Exhale worry and stress. With each breath, imagine yourself surrounded by a soft, healing light. It flows from the top of your head, down your neck and arms, through your chest, legs, and feet. You are safe. You are supported. You are grounded. Take one last deep breath in and release everything you no longer need. Thank yourself for taking this time to find calm. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and carry this peaceful energy with you through your day.